The question, and you can solve this question, pause the video, solve this question, and I'm telling you that it is likely, there is some chance that you will get this question incorrect, although you have applied all the right formulas, only because you did not take this term loss into the account and properly put a sign of minus in front of the 20. So the formula is very, very simple. So this is the cost price. We don't really know this. So we say it's X. The selling price is given here. It is 300K. The formula is 300K minus X. That is the selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. This comes out to be 20. Is it just 20? No, it is a loss. So this has to be minus 20. Don't forget this minus sign. That is all I'm saying. So this comes out to be 300K minus X divided by X is equal to 20 by 100, which is minus 1 by 5. This 5 will go here. This X will come here. So this becomes 1500 minus 5X. And this X will come here, so this will become minus X. Now this minus X, I will take this 5X on this side, so this will become plus 5X. So this says 4X is equal to 1500K, or if you compute X, it comes out to be 1500 divided by 4, which is 375K or 375,000 if you will, and that is the final answer. Okay, so notice that the problem here, if you had taken this as forgot this negative sign, then this X would have come out to be less, than 300,000, which would be correct given that you forgot the negative sign, and therefore this 20 signified a percent gain. So minus is mandatory here if you have to use this formula correctly.